Hello everybody, this is King Tut here and welcome to another dive-in video. In this video, I'll be exploring and reviewing IntelliJ IDE. So, disclaimer here, I'm going to be all over the place. I'm going to be saying terminologies that you're not going to understand. I might explain some of them along the way, and this is unscripted. So, without further ado, let's explore IntelliJ IDEA. So if you don't have any projects, it's just gonna show you this. Or if you don't have any project that's already open and you close one of the projects, it's gonna show you this on the side and then the project on the left side. But since I closed all the project, the reason why I closed all the project and not have them display here, so that way I could show you what it looks like without any project. So you could either open a project or import or just get it from version control like GitHub or whatnot. So you could just go to new project, and then if you have your project SDK already there, that means you already have Java in there. If not, then IntelliJ won't even open in the first place. There won't be any point of opening IntelliJ if you don't have Java installed. And there's like a bunch of options like Maven, Gradle, Java FX, which is the newer version of Swing. It's a GUI library. GUI is graphical user interface. It's basically making windows like this and basically making applications, actual applications. How cool would that be? And then you have Android if you want to make apps for Android, but you have to install SDK for Android. So because Android has its own sophisticated library just for Android. I know I'm saying that a lot, but it's like it's just everything that is Android. Anything that has to do with Android, you could go here, you can install the SDK and have fun programming in Android. Or you could have an empty project, but I wouldn't advise that because it's gonna be you guys are gonna have a hard time setting up Java. So if you go to Java, if you want to set up if you want to program Java, just go to Java. It's gonna generate libraries and all the nooks and crannies that you're gonna be setting up if you picked empty project into Java. So let's click next, and let's just do dive in. Dive in. Finish. Just let it load. If you're opening this program for the first time that you open the computer, it's going to be slow at first. And then as you open the application again and again and again, it's going to get quicker. So you just expand, go to src, new, Java class, and then you just give it whatever name you want to put. I just do classy because classes are always classy. Alright. Let's go to public static void main string args, and then I just do system. So what I really hate about IntelliJ is it has to be case sensitive. You have to put a capital S and IntelliJ will understand what you meant. So instead of putting system with a lowercase letter, I have to put system with the uppercase letter for them to understand what I'm talking about. In terms of Intellisense, speaking of it, it has really good Intellisense. I really like it. So if I put capital S, poof, it just automatically shows. Unlike in Develop that you have to always press Control Space all the time. If you guys are wondering what version is IntelliJ, it's 2020.2 or 2020.2, and it's Community Edition. Anyone who wants a free version you need to get a Community Edition. How.print hello world. You just press build. So with every first time application, you just have to press build. What? Can't find symbol class string. Oh, that could have been it. There you go. There you go. Should be fine. Yep, it's finished. So the first time you're running this project, you have to click the hammer tool, and then you right click, and then you click run the class name .main in parentheses. So you just do that, and voila, there's hello world. So let's see what other stuff I could actually do. Refractor this. What does that even mean? Move class, generate. Wait, does that mean public? Let's do refractor. Where are we? Refractor this. Push pull. Move class, copy class. Oh, you just do it for classes. Never mind. Alright, implement methods. So if I were to, let's say if I were to put in, I don't know. Wait, what do they mean by implement method? Do I like, what just happened? No what? No methods to implement have been found. Okay. How about I do public int color? I don't know. Some weird name. Wait, where's the safe delete color? What does that even mean? So it just takes out color. That's pretty neat. Add Java doc. What the hell is Java doc? Okay. Refractor. Find usage. Refractor copy class. Whatnot. Folding. Oh, what if I want to put private? Let's see. Extract. How do I do getters and setters? Analyze. Go to generate. Oh, so you just click generate. Generate equals getters, setters, override method. That's really cool. Getters and setters. So you just have all of this nooks and crannies. Just public get color and public void set color. That's really nice. That's really nice. That's way better than in Develop. You click on a variable, or basically in Eclipse, you just click on a variable, you just go to source, and then generate getters and setters. That doesn't even make sense. Source? It's really better to go like Okay, generate, and then you have whatever you want to generate. If I wanted to put toString, let's just make it toString and have all this override methods. So 3, and then and let's just do like color to public string or toString. Oh, that's weird. I have no idea what these do. They have to do. That's really nice. So how does that work? Okay, so it just highlights it. If I just put it, okay, so it doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase. It's not case sensitive. Change value. Found one. All right, so to do change value. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't like how it looks. Current file, scope based. Yeah, I don't like how that. Let's see if it actually. Nah. Whoa. Wait. What? Yeah, I actually didn't like how that looks. I wish it would have been more of a list based. That would have looked better. Yeah, that really does not do any good for me. I didn't like this method. Let's see, view mode. Let's see, view mode, dock, undock, float window, move to, resize, to view options. Okay. And it has structures. That's really nice. I like to put my structures over there. That's no biggie. I actually like how you can move from one place to another seamlessly. You just like, oh, you can't move the Java source over here. You can't make it like down here. Let's put another Java class, Earth, because it's just a random name that popped out of my head. But hey, who cares? So void made. I actually like how it has folding and unfolding, but it doesn't actually like. It doesn't hide the whole thing, and that's not. Yeah, that's a big no as well. That's a big no. Let's see if I put int x, int y. Okay, so if you put more than 2 lines or more than 1 lines, you're just gonna get unique ellipsis. So that's pretty cool. Open code folding options. Method bodies. That makes more sense. Also, should be a. Come on, there you go. Mistest methods. Yeah, no, I don't want that. Just code style settings. Let's see. Method left brace. Lambdas, anonymous class, show inherited. Oh, that's really cool. It actually shows inherited. Shows properties. Group method. Fields. Navigate with a single click. Alright, so let's do public earth. And then let's just go system. Alright. And let's do public void print something. Public earth. Oh, I think I didn't put that. Okay, I need to put that parentheses. All right, let's just put system out dot print line, and let's just make the parentheses here string word. And I just put word. Wait, why? Sting, really? No, that's not what I want. There you go. I have no idea where it gets sting. I actually like the tooltip. It actually shows you the whole documentation if you hover the keywords. Just go to Word. Should get me a... No, nothing. Okay. Method is never used. And actually, I like the auto compilation. It's kind of like Microsoft Word. If things are misspelled or bad grammar, it just gets underlined. So in IntelliJ, it does the same thing. Except if your syntax is wrong or if there's anything that needs to be warned, it just underlines it. Usually warnings are not big of a deal. They're not errors. They're just like, hey, you've done this. This is not recommended. It's right, but not recommended. Alright, so let's see. Visibility, alphabetically, defining type. Get class, anonymous class, lambdas. Yeah, I wish this whole thing would have, I wish all the classes were displayed under this project. Let's see if putting a package. Where is a package? Oh, there you are. That's really unnoticeable. I wish they would actually change the coloring. It's not big of a deal. I'm not pushing it, but it's so unnoticeable. Pack, and just put these two classes into pack. Let's refractor these two, and then wait, that's weird. Yeah, it goes in there. What's the preview? Yeah, isn't it supposed to be under here? It should be under pack. That is so weird. Pack. Let's see, pack. There you are. I guess just putting package pack would solve the problem, would solve the issue. That is so weird. No, it didn't really solve the problem. So how do we get two classes to show up at once? Let's rebuild this and then run it. Could not find load main. Let's edit configuration. Nothing. Oh, that's why. So do I need to import? Let's look at other tools. Let's switch task. Let's open another task. Or what's a task? Test. Oh, that's weird. I have no idea what that did. Alright, show. I guess IntelliJ is making that difficult. Expand all, collapse all, show option, mode, resize. So if you click on constructors or method, it just highlights it to a different method. Alright, so let's see, earth e dot print something stuff. It actually shows you it shows you the variable that is associated in the parameter. E, oh, that's why. New E. There you go. Oops. Earth. There you go. Hello from Earth. Stuff. So it's initializing. Okay, so that's really cool. Let's see what happens if I were to run debug. Low axis. That's weird. It just nearly exited. But I want to debug. VM warning. Sharing is only supported for bootloader classes because Bootstrap class path has been appended. Let's see. Run class with coverage? What does that even mean? Okay. I guess I can't debug. Let's see this project structure. Oh. That's not. Okay, let's just close coverage. There's class, lambdas. Yeah. Yeah, that's really much of a disappointment. It doesn't show all the classes. I wish it would have showed all the classes. Yeah. Even though it's a disappointment, it's not gonna bother me that much. Refractor, push members up. Refractor this. Rename. Change signature. Okay, migrate to Android X. So you can migrate code to Android X. That's really cool. Extract, introduce, variable. I guess refactoring is like tooltip, not tooltip, like a giving you tips for the errors. So let's say if I could actually do color, just color like that, and then I screwed that up. Clean up, remove unnecessary semicolon. No, that's not what I want. Great, time and common type parameter color. No, I want to make it a variable. So that's refractor this. Generify? What the hell is generify? Oh. Refractor. Move class type mitigation. Push member up. It's not allowing me to add variable or make it a variable. Huh. Comment with line comments. I actually like how you could automatically generate comment instead of just manually typing comments. Navigate. Let's see files. Ooh, that's really cool. Oh, you can't really stick that to the side. That's not. Earth. And how do I get that thing back? So control N. Can you just like show me? Here you go. There's classy.java. There's recent files. That's in under dive-in. Include non-project items, actions. Background task. Let's see if they have preference. Like, does it have any? I think settings is over there. Yeah, that's preference. Okay. Appearance, Dracula, IntelliJ Light. Let's apply. Let's see what it looks. Oh, geez, that's too bright. Windows 10 bright. I don't think there's any difference. High contrast. That's what high contrast would look like. Actually, that looks nice. I'm not gonna lie. It actually looks nice. Let's go back to Dracula. I actually like how they have breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs is basically your project directory. So your projects dive in and then inside that project is your src, then into the pack, and then the earth, and then earth, which is open. If I click on classy, it'd be the same kind of project directory, but except instead of being on earth, it's classy. Remove, folding. It's like a lot of detailed things, detailed features that allows us to like either folder code, allows us to do anything within here. Let's see. Notification, editors tab. They have tip for the day. To view all exit points of a method, place caret in one of them. For example, return statement, and press Control Shift F7 to view all exit points. Huh. I don't know. Alt 1, project 2, and switch focus to it. Quick definition viewer. Then you could actually generate getters and setters. Oh wait, let's generate constructor. Let's test that part. Let's generate constructor. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So let's just Control Z all of that. So I actually like how it has Control Z, but it doesn't have Control Y for redo. That's unfortunate. So let's see. What's implementation? I don't know what it seems like. It does nothing. Superclass. Okay, let's do another class, and let's just do Morse. Extends earth, and then it's just generate. Let's generate. Oh, I could do alt insert. So alt insert constructor. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Should get me some link. That's weird. I literally extended earth. There you go. So it has in group method. Okay. So it shows you which one that you inherited from. So this is basically how you use to inherit a class. So I'm going to go into details in the Java series later on in Java series. So I don't know. Let's go to terminal. It allows you to, it's basically a command prompt. If you're on Windows, it just connects it to the command prompt. If you're on Linux, it connects you to a terminal. If you're on Mac OS X, it would also connect you to a terminal, but it's a different kind of terminal. So it has debug. Oh, problems. All right. If I literally did something, if I made an error, it just shows you all the problems, which I still don't like. I wish it would have been more of a table looking I wish it's more of a list, and it just shows you what class it is, or you can just double click it and then it just takes you to different class, like it, and highlights it. Yeah, it's my personal preference, but it's their way of organizing things. You can actually find stuff. Refactoring preview. So let's just go back to Earth. Group by. Oh, so it just reruns this whole thing. Just refreshes everything, all the project. So that's really cool. Okay. What's the event log? Oh, so it just keeps track of what you did, of all your builds and everything. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It shows you all of external libraries. Even though they're built into Java, they're not external libraries. Boy. Well, let's see. Inspect code. I have no idea. Declaration redundancy. Entry points. Ours. Proofreading. There's a typo. Oh, it does spell check. Huh. That's pretty cool. What's a code cleanup? No suspicious code found. I guess code cleanup is like if you have variables that is not even declared, is not even assigned, you do a code cleanup. Let's try that. Let's try that theory. So public int size code cleanup whole project. No suspicious code found. Okay, how about I do like code cleanup. No suspicious code found. Or just put size. Let's do that. Code cleanup. Doesn't even do much. I don't even know what code cleanup does anymore. Probably just looks at errors or something. For nullify, that's that. Annotations library. That's the library. Okay, so I can't run it because the library is missing for that. Nope, I don't want to add it. I know what. Oh, version control. Yeah, you could just link it up to. Usually, you link it up to GitHub. Yep. Share a project from GitHub. And you just go to Git repository. Then it has like good documentations about it. That's really cool. Other than that, well, what's tools in Windows? Let's see what they have. They have favorites, projects, structures, service. Oh, so it's just basically everything, almost everything that's displayed here. Appearance, enter presentation mode. Oh, they have Zen mode, full screen. Oh, I actually like this. This is really awesome. You go up and it shows all the menu. Most full screen doesn't really do that. Or most program that you put in full screen that doesn't really do that. What's Zen mode? Oh, Zen mode is just basically just code. Just only code. is showing in full screen. The extraction free mode. That's still. Oh, now it's showing time. Wait, let's see if it also shows in full screen. Oh, I guess I clicked full screen again. Okay, so it's like this, the same thing. Oh boy. Distraction free mode. Okay. Then what's Zen mode? Okay, so it's Zen mode. But what if I want to do distracting free mode? Okay, so it doesn't get you full screen. But it just only gets you just the code itself. But what if I want to do Zen mode? Okay, so it just takes out all the menu. It just like auto appear menu if you just move your mouse up there. All right. Presentation mode. Okay, that's really cool. So if anyone wants to do tutorials, which I don't really, that's not how I actually do tutorials, but I might as well, yeah, I might as well improve the last time. Let's do that. Let's see if I can actually. Oh, you can't zoom in. That's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. Let's go to appearance. Toolbar. Oh, that's really cool. Exit full screen. Yeah, that's really nice. What if I just take out toolbar? And just, okay, so it just automatically puts it over there. That's really cool. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think that's quick documentation. What's documentation? Yeah, that's pretty much it. There are a lot of things I actually like about IntelliJ. It just, most of the things just make sense. When you use it, it just makes sense. If you're a beginner, you're not going to be using advanced stuff. And even if you're advanced user, everything just makes so much sense. What I really didn't like about it is the fact that if you're gonna do a to-do list, I wish it's more listed in an actual to-do list, and it just and reference which class that you're gonna be doing the task. I wish the to-do list it's formatted in a way like Microsoft To Do or Todoist, so on and so forth. That would have been really awesome. So thank you so much. I hope this is helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think of this dive-in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.